I want to thank everybody who traveled out to make it to the Curbside2024 Conference. People traveled across the country, in some cases from other countries, to attend the conference, and it was a huge success. In fact, we sent out a survey afterwards, and 100% of the people would recommend the Curbside Conference to other laundry owners. And the real stars of the conference were the speakers. I'd like to thank Holly and Barbara from the Curbside Laundries team. They were absolute stars in helping put this all together. People asked if they were professional party planners, and it turns out they're just great team members. One person commented, "I am so impressed with the Curbside team. The marketing from the very beginning was exceptional. I love the welcome bags, the swag, the vendors, the giveaways actually got people talking to the vendors. You all did fantastic." And we didn't even charge the vendors to be there. We asked them to be there because we felt that would give a better experience to the attendees. It was like a mini trade show. The overwhelming highlight for everybody was the speakers. Every single speaker we asked to be there. We've got a unique insight at Curbside Laundries to know who is moving and shaking and really doing wonderful things. And we talked to the speakers ahead of time. We found out what they're doing, and we asked them, you got to share that with everybody, because these are things that can revolutionize and transform your business. Our first speaker was Carlos Ochoa. He's on TikTok, known as Laundromat Money. You may want to give him a follow. He's got over 2 million followers on TikTok, and he has over 1,200 reviews on Google for his laundromat and pickup and delivery service. He shared exactly how he got 1,230 Google reviews. Almost all of them are 5 stars. And as a result, his business keeps going up and up and up. He gave the blueprint for how to run the contest with your employees to get those reviews. And then we went to break. And the comments I heard was, if I don't learn anything else at this entire conference, it was worth the trip just to hear that. And every single speaker brought it. I learned so many things. I was just on a phone call yesterday, and one of our clients is getting traction with boat covers and laundering them. And because of Colleen Unema's presentation on Oddball Laundry, I knew the exact marketing plan for him to run with to gain traction and grow his business and have crazy margins as a result. So in future YouTube videos, we'll be providing a summary of what each speaker spoke about, because each speaker I felt was just completely dynamic, very unique. And at the same time, there were some commonalities of what they were doing, which means those are things you should be doing too. My favorite part of the conference was talking to the other laundry owners, especially the people using Curbside Laundries. One of our clients, he goes, "Matt, you got to check this out." And he pulled out his phone, opened up the Curbside Laundry software, and showed me his revenue. And it's just amazing to see. This is somebody who's been in the business for about 4 or 5 months, and look at what he's doing today. After the conference, we sent out a survey, and we asked people what their favorite part of the conference was and what the #1 thing they learned was as well. And here are some of the responses. Wash, Dry, Fold is alive and well, and this is the group that can make it happen all over the country. The catalyst for making things happen is Curbside Laundries. Another person said, make advertising plans and specials for the entire year ahead. So don't just create your specials and advertisements one at a time. You should have your whole year planned out. Seasonal specials. Honestly, everything was amazing. Another person commented, you have to expose your brand online. The amount of content at the conference about how to enhance your brand, that's a central theme, because all of us are getting more sophisticated, the messaging is getting more sophisticated, and you need to focus on the consumer experience, what you're providing to them, and stop taking pictures of your washers and dryers. You need to show the lifestyle of having your laundry outsourced and freeing your time. Another person commented, I need to go full focus on proper website implementation. And that's really one of the big secrets with Curbside Laundries, and one of the reasons why so many of our clients are successful is we provide a top-notch website that ranks really well, and we're focused on the entire SEO and website presence. So if you ever see a free website somewhere or cut and paste, or it's less than $1,000, you should run away, because you get what you pay for, and your website is your #1 way of getting new customers. So don't cheap out and don't plagiarize, because that also downgrades the person you plagiarize and it lowers your ranking too. Google loves original content, so you've got to be original. Another comment, to be successful at a high level, your image is key and everything needs to tie together. And our keynote speaker really hammered that point home. If you're a blue square online, your laundromat should be a blue square too. So if they come in and it's a yellow circle, there's going to be a disconnect and they're going to wonder, this person's kind of shifty. Online it said blue square, and in the store it's yellow circle. So you need to have brand consistency, and it needs to be well thought out and consistent. A lot of people commented their favorite thing was connecting with other laundry owners. Another comment is encourage your staff to ask for reviews. If you don't ask, you don't get. One of my favorite quotes was from Randy Roberts' presentation, and he said, if you are doing everything right and nobody knows it, you're doing it wrong. So if you're doing a great job at your laundromat and at your laundry service, and you're not asking for reviews, there's an opportunity to do things better. Another top thing that somebody learned was we need to become more involved in the community. And the beautiful part about this is, one, you're helping out the community, and number two, you're making money while doing it. You're getting your name out there. You're building awareness. You're creating goodwill. So it's a win-win-win for everybody. One of the comments we received was, it was a great conference. I will admit to being a bit skeptical about attending this, as I thought it might be too heavy on the sales side of things. It wasn't. It was inspiring, and the speakers taught us so much. This conference was absolutely informative, engaging, connecting, and inspiring. Another comment, we had such a great time. This added fire for growth. And finally, my favorite comment, we already felt good about our decision to go with Curbside, and this conference confirmed it. So you're going to be seeing a whole bunch of interviews coming up. There's so many different attendees that are using our software, achieving tremendous success, and I can't wait to share their stories with you.
First off, I'm Christian Gladfelter.
Christian Velasco.
Curbside Laundry is an all-in-one software solution for laundromat owners. Our software includes pickup and delivery, in-store, register over-the-counter transactions. It has a very robust reporting system where you can sell things and see how often you're selling, see all your most important customers, see all of your transactions throughout a month. It is one of the most detailed and one of the most controllable software solutions out there for laundromat owners.
All of our speakers had two things in common. Number one, they're all very successful. Number two, they're all using Curbside Laundry's software. And if you'd like to learn more about the Curbside Laundry's wash and fold and pickup and delivery solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com.